Now here the question is, assume that for every person the probability that he has exactly one child, two children and exactly three children are 1 by 4, 1 by 2 and 1 by 4. The probability that a person will have 4 grandchildren can be expressed as P upon Q. Then find the value of 5P minus Q. Now this person, he can have either one child or two children or three children. Now if it is one child, probability is 1 by 4. For two children it is 1 by 2 and for three children it is 1 by 4. Now he is supposed to have 4 grandchildren. Now with one child he cannot have 4 grandchildren. So we'll consider these two cases. So if he has 2 children, then each of these 2 children can have 1, 2 and 3 children. And in the same way, for 3 children also, he'll be this 1, 2 and 3. Now, he'll have 4 grandchildren if he has 2 children and then followed by either 1, 3 or 3, 1 or 2, 2, or he has 3 children and then he can have 1, 1, 2. So it could be 1, 1, 2 or 1, 2, 1 or 2, 1, 1. Now this required probability will be, now probability of having 2 children, it is 1 by 2 into, now 1 and 3. 1 and 3 is 1 by 4 into 1 by 4. So it will be 1 by 16. 3, 1 is also 1 by 16 and then 2, 2 is 1 by 4 plus probability of 3 children, it is 1 by 4 and then 1, 1, 2. 1, 1, 2 is 1 by 4, 1 by 4 and 1 by 2 and that will be 1 by 32 and there will be 3 cases. So it will be 6 by 32 plus 3 by 128. Now we simplify this, it will be this 128, it will be this 27 upon 128 and that's the value of P by Q. Now we need to find the value of 5P minus Q. So it will be 5 into 27 minus 128 and that will be simply 7. So answer to this question is 7.